Hey guys, this is Steve from Trim That Weed, and welcome to our video of the Generac versus Honda generators. Watch until the end to know our final verdict on which generator brand is better. So the main difference between Generac and Honda generators is the sounds produced. Honda generators are equipped with an eco-throttle system that automatically adjusts the engine speed to the optimum level. The above results in excellent fuel economy, while ensuring that the quiet generator becomes super quiet. The Generac generators feature up to 3 modes, including the economy that helps make the generator quieter during use. Both Generac and Honda have various categories of generators that we will explore. The first category of generator are the home backup generators. Generac home generators are usually installed permanently and will automatically power up in case of power loss. The generators have been configured to back up your entire home. The Honda home backup generators, on the other hand, are portable and come equipped with modern technology. The generators are equipped with the Co-Minder carbon monoxide detecting system, configured to continuously measure CO levels and shut the generator down before it reaches dangerous levels. Therefore, Honda is the best home backup generator. 1, because it is portable, and 2, because it comes equipped with new technology that allows it to measure CO levels. Business generators. Generac offers huge business generators in different models, with varied power consumption capacities. Instead of business, Honda refers to their generators as industrial. The generators have been equipped with select features that deliver more power in a lighter unit, while at the same time minimizing voltage fluctuation. All the Honda industrial generators are OSHA compliant and come complete with neutral bond protection. The commercial generators are additionally backed by Honda's best-in-class warranty that offers up to 3 years in coverage for both rental and commercial use. And that's what makes them better when compared to the Generac business generators. Portable generators. Generac has about 30 portable generators that come in different sizes and styles, so investing in one largely depends on the user's style. The generators operate automatically 24/7, 365. Honda, on the other hand, offers the portable generators in as little as 3 different models, which are the EU Super Quiet, the EM Deluxe Series, and the EG Economy. Each of the models offers unique features. For example, the EM Deluxe Series offers both electric and remote start. The EG Economy is equipped with the 4-stroke GX series engine, which is quite efficient while offering reliable performance. Generac generators turn out to be the best option because they are available in huge numbers and can be used for a variety of applications, such as gas and oil field operations, construction, and telecommunications. Recreational generators. Honda does have a category of generators known as recreational generators that have been specifically configured for use in the outdoors. The generators are perfect for individuals who love RVing, camping, and tailgating. These generators can also double up as a backup home power unit. They are exceptionally quiet during use and exceptionally easy to start. Generac, on the other hand, does not have the specific recreational generators category, but rather the portable generators that are used as backup, in construction, and for camping and tailgating. For recreational purposes, Generac has one unique model, the Generac IQ2000. That features inverter technology and can therefore be used for tailgating parties and camping trips. Of the 2 brands, Honda offers the best solution because it has a variety of recreational generators, about 8, including EU1000i, the EU2200i Camo, and the EU2200i Companion. Economy generators. Generac economy generators are compact and fully enclosed. They feature a lightweight design and are especially easy to transport. The Generac economy generators are referred to as economy because they're equipped with the economy mode feature that helps minimize fuel consumption rates and noise emissions. Honda generators, on the other hand, have 2 models of the economy series generators, which come equipped with the 4-stroke GX series engine. The Honda economy generator come in 2 models, which are the EG2800i that offers up to 2800 watts and the EG4000 that offers up to 4000 watts. Similarities. Both the Honda and Generac generators are fuel efficient and feature inverter technology, thus you can be sure to find the inverter technology in most of the models in their respective categories. Both brands almost offer the same power in their generators, only that Generac's lower wattage generators have been configured for ease of use. Verdict. So which is better? Honda generators are the better option, as they are reliable and durable. Generac generators, on the other hand, retail at a pocket-friendly price, but are not durable when compared to Honda generators. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel. Also, let us know which other comparisons you'd like to see next from us.